Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is Faux and Fabulous Fridays, and I'm so excited to share this sensational wig with you guys.
Y'all, I think this is the quickest I have put on a wig, the least amount of time spent customizing a wig, and one of the cutest curly wigs that I've tried. So yeah, let's clock it and let's get into the video.
Hey y'all, we're back with another Faux and Fabulous Friday install, and today we're trying out the Dashley unit 45 in 1B. This wig looks super full, and it is, but it isn't heavy at all. It has a pre-made middle part with a clip on each side and one in the back to hold the wig in place. I wanted to try a more affordable wig for you guys that needed minimal customization. To know me is to know that I love to customize a wig, so this was definitely a challenge. For the lace, I just used some wig spray from Eben. I don't use this often, but when I do, it's always such a good match to my skin tone.
Y'all, I am not doing anything to this wig. Cutting with my pink and shears, duh, because what else? I'm not gonna do baby hairs. I'm very excited because I feel like not a lot of people have reviewed this wig, and it's so pretty. I feel like if you get the cut right, I'm not good at cutting curly hair. I'm gonna stop saying that eventually one day, not today. I feel like whenever you put a cap on and it's like this, you can always see the cap. It's fine. Okay, I'm gonna put her on. I'm nervous. That was fast. We have bangs. Not a lot of bangs. Okay, she's not terrible. She just needs a little shaping. That's it.
To the salon!
So the only customization I'm going to do is fluff out the hair with a wide tooth comb. You don't want to use a brush, one, because it's synthetic, and two, because you risk ruining the curl pattern. It'll either clump together and not look cute or get matted. I wanted to define the part, so I used my Ruby Kisses palette, and the wig did come with bangs, but not enough for me, so I cut some more into it. I usually don't do bangs since my head shape is the way that it is, you know. But I was hopeful that it would still look cute, and it ended up looking cute anyways. Now, I tried not to cut too much, being that curly hair can be really unsuspecting when you cut. You think you only cut a little, the whole time you didn't cut half the wig off. So we tried to do minimal cutting. To finish it off, I cut the end so it hit my shoulders, and that was all she wrote, y'all. Minimal changes, and it looks so good.
We're gonna just fluff her out some more. This wig is huge, like literally huge. Like all of this is just space. I hope y'all can see that. It's crazy how an outfit could just really change your whole perspective on your look, because I was literally like, I'm about to take this off. I just feel like it looks a little synthetic-y, so I'm gonna do a little bit of dry shampoo. I want something big, something that says Beyonce. I feel like this side looks more realistic, so we're gonna do the same thing to the other side.
Because I look good, I smell good, I feel good.
I don't want it to start looking too crazy like I'm the lady off of Holiday Hearts. So I feel like my makeup took longer than it did for me to put this wig on. I genuinely like it. Definitely feel like you have to do a little bit of, just a little bit of customization. The part looks a little wiggy to me. I think like any synthetic curly wig, the messier it gets, the more realistic it gets. And not too messy, not too messy. Then it starts looking like a bee's nest, and we don't want that. Pros, very easy to put on. Took no time at all. I think I put this wig on and did everything in like less than 10 minutes. Nuts. I like the ventilation on the wig, being that it's such a curly wig. I feel like I need a little bit of air circulating through my scalp. The curls are really pretty. I do like when you comb it out, it looks a lot better. And the dry shampoo definitely helps with the shininess. Now, I didn't spray any in the back, so I don't know what that looks like. But we're not gonna concern ourselves with those things today, okay? We have bigger fish to fry. I do love that this hair comes with bangs. I feel like that makes the wig. I think if there was no bangs, I probably would have cut some bangs into it, because it just deserves, I deserve. Okay, let's go to cons. The bangs, not enough bang. Give us more bang next time. And I feel like these front curls, because this is, I think that was already a bang. And the way that it's shaped, it's like not shaped properly. I don't want to, it says it's heat safe, I don't necessarily want to put heat on it. My wand curl does not have temperature setting, so I'm not even gonna play those games. Not tonight. I don't know if this counts as a con. It's a con for me. My hairline is pretty far back, and I kind of wish the clips were like on the sides of the part versus like here where they were, because they're not really grabbing onto anything because I've moved it up so much, and I like when my bangs are in my face. That's another thing, since they weren't like super long, like I need my bangs in my face. I got a big head, I gotta cover it up somehow, some way. That's how I do it. Basically the clips is just floating. The wig is also huge. I have to pin the wig down in the back. Truthfully, it's like at my neck. It's like in the middle of my neck. If you do have a big head, it'll fit. If you don't have a big head, you can just, you know, finesse the back. And because it's curly, you won't really see it. Now, if this was straight, I'd have been like, yeah, I don't know. You can do the bangs like this, or you can kind of like put them in your face a bit. But yeah, you can do it in front of your face, or you can do separate. I think either or is very cute. I love a good just full bang though. I do love it. I do. That's pretty much it, guys. I really love this hair. I'll definitely leave the link in the description box for you if you want to purchase. And I mean, she's giving, she's cute. Okay, we didn't do too much to her. I didn't pull out a hot comb. I did blow dry the roots, but that's because I used spray on whatever. I didn't use any foundation. I did put some concealer on the part, but like other than that, I really didn't do much to this wig. And I just made a laundry list, but it's not as much as I normally do, because y'all know I didn't even pluck. If that's not saying something, if that's not growth, I don't know what is. I genuinely don't know. Let me know in the comment section below if you would try this wig, if you've already tried this wig, if you tried other colors. I'm gonna leave all the specs in the description box below, so make sure to check that out. Thumbs up this video if you like what you see, because again, she eats. And share this video with your friends, family, homegirls, homeboys, whoever you got to share it with them. Let them know. Dashley unit 45. Dashley unit 45, she's the truth. She's giving everything that she needed to give. And that's just that on that. Okay? And of course, wait. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you're alerted when I post new videos. And of course, we are in our synthetic wig series. It's Faux and Fabulous Fridays. I love that. I love that name. Love it to pieces. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.